Rent is due and the shelves at Maxiso are stocked, and you are absolutely not the only one shopping. Just one more box is a fast, greedy little collector's loop. Grab 9 boxes off the shelf before the other shoppers snatch it out of your hand or basket before time runs out. Then crack open every box to see which sticker you got. Sticker, duplicate, or the rare pull you have been chasing, it all goes in your collection. Grab it before they do. Every shop run is a countdown. Boxes are scattered across the shelves and a rival is grabbing right alongside you. Get in their way or slap them out of it before they take all the good stuff. Open everything. Every box is a tiny gamble. Collect full series for a completion bonus, chase foil variants and sell off the duplicates you don't need. Pay your rent. Duplicates and doubles pay the bills. Literally. Sell what you don't need, keep what you do, and cover the landlord before the week is out. Fall behind and it will only get harder. Upgrade nodes. There is a whole pile of upgrade nodes to make your next run a bit easier and a bit more efficient. Sell stickers to upgrade your next run, but take into account that you are using the rent money to buy upgrades.